guys, I'm currently saying hi to you from Dubai. My first time here. I just got here. I landed about an hour ago. I'm here with ASOS on a press trip and I'm literally so happy to be here. So I've checked in to the 5 Palm. I'm going to give you guys a little room tour because this room is really pretty. So as you come in, you have the open pan bathroom with a bath, which I will definitely be getting in tonight. Definitely need a bath. I'm obsessed with these. Oh my god, the wall tiles are so nice, and the brass details. God, I'm so tired right now. But yeah, toilet, shower. I think all of this is like wardrobe space. And then we come into the little office area. We have a little seating area, and they've kindly given me a bottle of wine, which I'll probably enjoy with my bath later. And then here is the bed, and ASOS have put a really beautiful personalized robe on here. Oh my god, I actually really want to wear this out. It's so nice. And then we have a little bit of ASOS goodies in here. This is a really cool wash bag. It's so cool. I'll open that in a second. And then we have the telly, have the mini bar, which is super chic. And then we have this view, which, I mean, it is ridiculous. I mean, this view is insane. Like, that's crazy. I'm gonna open this and see what's inside. But I just noticed that behind this, there's the itinerary. And I leave like super early morning on Thursday. And then that's when they had the desert safari dinner, and I'm so sad. I'm so sad. I'm gonna miss it. But I'll definitely be back in Dubai for sure, because I really want to do the desert with the jeep ride and everything. But yeah, I'm so sad. I'm gonna miss that on Thursday. Let's see what's inside this bag. Ooh. Okay, so we have BB plumper and buffer for the lips. Oh, I actually have this. This stuff is so good. And then we have a water bottle. We also have, oh, seriously, I was looking for this at home because I freaking lost it and I really wanted to bring it with me. It's the Clinique SPF 30 sunscreen body lotion. So I'm so happy that they provided this. And the face one, which I spent ages looking for yesterday morning. I couldn't find it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll link all of these products in the description box as well, by the way, because they are all available on ASOS. And then this is the After Sun, which I was freaking looking for as well, and I literally have no idea what all like my SPF and sun stuff is gone at my house. I really need to find that. And then we also have an SPF 40 body cream. Also have, oh, a wireless phone charger. Have a Dr. Jart Vital Hydration Solution face mask, which I'm going to be doing tonight in the bath with my glass of wine. And then we have MAC Clear Brow Gel. Ooh, and this works deep sleep breathe in. I actually brought my sleeping spray. I don't travel without it, so that would be really cool. I don't know what is this, a spray? Or is it a roll? Oh no, it's a roll. Oh yeah, it's the same scent as the spray. It's amazing. I highly recommend this product. A MAC Hyper Real Glow palette, which is an insane palette, by the way. I mean, look at that color. I'll be wearing that later. And then we also have an ASOS Beauty eyeglass, which is such a beautiful color. So since I've arrived before everyone, I'm just gonna chill out, and then I think we have lunch later with everyone when everyone gets here. So I'll vlog that and take you guys with me. And then we have dinner tonight at Asia restaurant. I'm not sure if it's at the hotel or not. But yeah, and then tomorrow we have Ladies' Day at the Cove Beach. So yeah, we're all gonna get in our bikinis and swimsuits and just enjoy the sun. And then we have, we get to see the new ASOS design collection tomorrow, and we have dinner, and then that's it, and then I have to go home. Super quick trip, but it's gonna be really fun. Let's eat. I'm gonna try a pickle. Ooh, that's really good. It's really salty. Okay, I'm gonna try the shakshuka. That's really good. And then I'm gonna try this, which I forgot the name of already. Okay. I don't actually know what it is. Beans? It's really yummy. It's like beans. So today, relaxing day today for the first day of the trip. Just by the pool with Shannon. Hey guys. And look what she's ordered. Look at that.
So plain.
That looks so good. Just got ready for dinner. Well, I've done my makeup. So yeah, this is my makeup for tonight. I used the new Urban Decay palette, which is super nice. This is the Naked Reloaded. Let me show you the colors. Like, look how nice they are. I'll link this palette for you guys as well down below. And then on my lips, I'm wearing the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks in Ashton. Yeah, and then now I'm just gonna put my dinner outfit on. Before I forget, I need to do my highlighter. So I'm gonna use the Hyper Real Glow highlighting palette. I'm gonna use Glow Baby Glow, which is, oh my god, which is this one. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use, I didn't bring a highlighting brush with me, but I think this brush that I've been using my concealer is fine. Okay, so dip. I don't even know if you can, like, see. Can you guys even, like, does it even look like it's coming on? I don't know. The trick to this palette is that you can actually use a lot. Because I remember they used this on me backstage at Fashion Week. Super fine loose powder. Oh, there we go. I should have done it like this. Better. There we go. Down my nose. Cupid's bow. Yeah. I think that's it. Makeup done. My outfit for dinner tonight, I'm wearing a white cord blazer, a black silk like satin cami, these jazzy jeans with some very jazzy, oh, is it gonna focus? Yeah, jazzy ankles with these sandal like flat heel things. So yeah, that is my outfit for dinner tonight. So day 2 in Dubai, we are at Cove Beach Club having lunch at the moment. I'll show you guys what I'm having.
Okay, so this is salmon quinoa salad, prawn taco, potato, chicken and sushi.
Oh, good choice. I'm back from the beach and look what they've put in my room. How cute is this? We get to make our own little cocktail. That's gonna be so fun. I'm gonna film me attempting to make this. Just spent pretty much the whole afternoon at the beach club. Really didn't do that much apart from tanning, so that's why I didn't really film anything. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready now. I'm gonna shoot really quickly with Shannon on my balcony whilst the sun is gonna set, and then we're gonna head for drinks, I think at the rooftop bar of this hotel, which is going to be beautiful, and then see the new ASOS pieces, and then we have dinner. So yeah. Hi, welcome to making cocktails with Yannin. I am going to attempt to make this cocktail that they've given me in my room. So yeah. So first up was to put the ice cubes in the shaker, and now we're going to add the gin in. Oh. I think it was the whole bottle of gin. Next it says to add the lime cordial in here, and then I'm actually just going to add 1 slice of lime in there as well. A little bit of freshness. Close it up. Now we close, well, make sure that it's closed, and then shake. Oh wait, I think you're meant to kind of like swish it around, I think. Okay, now pour it in. That looks pretty good. Taste test. Ooh, that's very strong. Not sure if I was meant to put the whole bottle in, but it was pretty good. This is my outfit for second night, well, last night for me, in Dubai for dinner. I'm wearing the white blazer again, just over the top, because it's going to be a bit chilly. I think we're having dinner outside. And then this neon slip dress from ASOS as well. And then I'm just wearing my trainers. And I'm also taking my new little baby. How cute is she? For real though, how cute and diddy is she? I got her from duty free and it was £160 for a Louis Vuitton bag. I mean, and it just holds literally everything in. I have my charger, my lip gloss, my room key, my USB cable, my medicine, everything I need.
It's not the biggest piece, but it's just the detail. That's what takes always the time.
How long did it take to do the tiger?
So I think it was about 2.5. I think it was in 3 hours. I had a look at it was going to take. It was quite a bit bigger than this one actually.
Spending the day painting the bedroom, and Ollie doesn't like my look. That you want to show them what I look like? Can you even see? Really?
I can't go that way, can I? You look ridiculous.
We're just painting one wall at the moment in our room. I might end up doing the whole room, but start off with one wall first. This is the paint that we're using. We'll be using Farrow and Ball. The shade that I've gone for is Elephant's Breath, and it's like a very light grey. Oh yeah, look at that shade. Whee! It's really soft. Oh, imagine this, like, you get massaged with like this all over your body.
Nice.
It's really soft.
Jimmy.
Look. don't step on the face.
I thought you did my face and you started hammering my chest.
Oh yeah. Look. Oh wait. Why is it not?
Oh, we bought cheap rollers.
Oh, for fuck's sake. It is so bad. Oh wait, no, it's going.
So weird that I'm turned on right now. Looks nice.
What is that?
Did you clean the roller before you? A bit of fluff.
Ignore that. The first coat is done. It's such a nice grey. It's so nice. Look, we did it. You can't really see much, but finally did it.